Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Oracle OCI certifications. So Oracle is providing the three free certifications for foundation level, and that is the OCI foundations, AI foundation and data associate foundation. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to avail this offer. So 100% free Oracle Data uh, Cloud Certification Guide, OCI Foundation, AI and Data. So get certified with these three official Oracle Cloud certification at no cost. These credentials are perfect for the beginners, developers, admin, and data professional and cloud engineers. Boost your skill with the high demand roles in 2026. So free Oracle certifications exam included Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 2025 Foundation Associate. The code is 1Z0 hyphen 1085 hyphen 25. So this is the URL, and this certification is ideal for the cloud operations, DevOps, developers, administrators, and architects and new users. Next is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 AI Foundation Associate, that is a 1Z01122 and 25. So this is the URL, and this certification is ideal for the cloud operations, AI architects and new users. Next is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Data Foundation Associate. This is the 1Z0 and 1195 and 25. So this is the URL and ideal for the data developers, DBAs, cloud operations, and data professionals. So question is the why take these certifications? 100% free Oracle official exam, recognized industry credential, cloud, AI, and data. Great for the career growth in 2026. Beginner friendly, no prior experience required. So recommended for the cloud operation engineers, DevOps engineers, developers, administrators, then data scientists, database developers, architects, and new cloud learners. Follow me on for more certification tips. So we'll go through the URL. One of the URL I'm going to open there. So all three. First, let me open. So these three URLs I'll provide on the description. So first, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and 2025 AI Foundation Associate. So exam number is this one. So earn associate certification. Passing the exam required to earn this certification. Select each certification title below. View the full requirement. So here multiple choice question will be there, and duration is 60 minutes, and exam cost is free. So register for the free. Number of question you will get 40. Passing score you will get 65, and validations the exam has been validated against the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025. Don't skip the video because I am providing the step-by-step process to get this certification. So here take recommended training. So there is a training is there. You can go with this training. So all the details you will get. Exam topics. Then in last register for take the exam. So here. So after that you will get this one Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Certified AI Foundation Associate badge. So similarly, we'll go through the second, that is the Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Foundation Associate. Exam code is this one, and this is also exam is free. So you can open this and you can check 40 number of questions, and that is 65% to pass. So after that, you will page will looks like this, and here if you want to learn, there is a multiple modules are there. So you have to complete. If you complete, then it is okay, or directly you can go for the online certification exam. For that, you have to log in. So click get started, then you will get a sign in or create your account. So when you will create your account, meanwhile we'll go through the infrastructure one. This one, Foundation Associate. So here this there are also multiple type of question. This is the Oracle Data Foundation 2025 Foundation Associate and code is this one. And number of exam 40, passing score 65. So same you will go through the step by step process. So here you to provide create your account, email address, password, retype password, country code, name, job title, work phone, and company name. So if you are a student, then job title you can provide the student and company name, also your college name also. So when you'll go to that, let me log into a one account. So after providing the your email address, you will get a code on your email. Okay, they are not giving now. So I'll go through the SSO process. So refresh this one. I am logged in. So register for free. So you can see your account here. Okay, log into my account. Click here. So you got the code. So let me check. So code is 967269. 967269. So here you can see one more time. So new OCI start here, foundation certifications. So there is a become a OCI foundation associate and role is if you keep your cursor here, you will get cloud operations and engineers, new user, DevOps engineers, developer, administrator, cloud operation engineer, data scientist and architect. Like that here also, this is an OCI AI. So operations engineer, cloud operation engineer, and a new engineer architect. And one more is there, data foundation, data platform foundation. So here also some. So these are there is a certification. This is free, but don't have the certification. Here you can see there is a certifications are there. So they all are completed. In my case, you won't get the completed. So you have to click on this. You have to complete all the step by step process. So just I'm going to open and I'll show you. So just like I have completed these things, so you have to complete at last. I'm going to back. Here you can see in your case the registration. Okay. So if you click on the registration, you have to register for the exam and you will get a marks this month. 88% I got the marks. So if you pass, then you can score report on the Oracle set view. Let me open. So log into set view. Let me open on. Open on Edge. So sign into your account. So I got the OTP, that is a 223173. 223173. So click on the set view. So this is SSO. So you can see this page here, exam result, exam history, and just you can see your which certificate with data 1085. So we have a 1085, 1085. So you can see this. So score 85 and all the details you will see there. And go to the publish credentials. So you can go through your certification, that is a infrastructure, infrastructure foundation associate, and you can click on the print your certificate. So your certificate will be looks like this. So Oracle Certified Foundation Associate Certificate of Recognition, and your details will be there. When you earn, you can get your date, and all the details will be there. So like this certification, this certification is free for all, and this is a foundation level certificate. You can go through the step by step process I have shown you for that. So there is a 100% free three exams Oracle OCI certification, that is a foundation, AI and data. So you can go through the step by step. And disclaimers, there are all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.